guys, it's Cam from EasyA. Today's video is going to be on fractions and surds. So let's get started.
So a fraction is basically just another way of writing a division. It has two parts, the numerator on the top and the denominator on the bottom. All of these fractions have the same ratio, so they look different but are in fact equivalent. To find out a fraction of something, divide by the denominator and times by the numerator. You should give your answers in the simplest form, which means the smallest numerator and denominator possible. Now, on to multiplying fractions. Just multiply the numerators together and separately multiply the denominators together, and this will give you the new fraction. To divide fractions, just flip the second one upside down and then multiply them as we did before. Adding fractions is a bit trickier when the denominator isn't the same. We have to find the lowest common denominator, which is the smallest multiple of both denominators. Then we find equivalent fractions with this denominator, and to find out the sum, we can just add up the numerators. If the denominators were already equal, then we can skip this first bit and simply add up the numerators. So when the numerator is greater than the denominator, this is known as an improper fraction, and a mixed number fraction has a number before it instead. To convert from improper to mixed number fractions, divide the numerator by the denominator, put the answer before and the remainder on top. To convert back, multiply the denominator with the number in front, and add the numerator to find the new numerator for the answer. To order fractions, we have to find equivalent fractions with the same denominator as we did in adding them, and then order them by the numerator. In this case, 4/5 and 5/6 have been swapped around. Now for the second topic of this video, we move on to surds. Surds are an irrational root of a number. Remember that not all roots are irrational. As a reminder, irrational means that it can't be written as a fraction or decimal. Multiplying surds isn't too hard. Just put both of the numbers inside the surd as you would normally. To divide surds, just put the fraction inside of the root. You can simplify surds by factorizing the number in the root and using the multiplication rule to put it in its simplest form. Surds can only be added together when the number under the root is the same, otherwise there's nothing you can do to simplify them. It's important to simplify surds before you add or subtract them. Often they might not look like they add together, but if you simplify them you'll find out that they do. Now onto a higher level topic of rationalizing the denominator. Multiply the fraction 3 by the denominator, and this gets rid of the root on the bottom.
Thank you for watching this EasyA Maths recap video. Check out our YouTube channel for more maths recaps, or get the EasyA app on the Apple and Android app stores to get unlimited on-demand maths tutoring right from your smartphone.